The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi, welcome to this OCFS prevention webinar. During this webinar, we will be reviewing case filters and site filters. In order to create a case filter or a site filter, your role within the database must be as a supervisor. The case filters and the site filters are located under the Administration tab, and they fall halfway down the column. Let's look at site filters. You'll notice that there are 3 site filter descriptions already listed here. If your program does not have a site filter description listed, you will have to submit a help desk ticket using this link and ask the programmers to create your first site filter. After that, you can create your own site filters by clicking on the Add New Site Filter button. We see the description box, and within the description box, you're going to type in your site filter, and we're going to click Submit. The list of site filters is in alphabetical order. You can make a site filter inactive by clicking on Edit and clicking on the inactive box and submitting. You'll notice that the inactive site filters fall to the bottom of the list. Let's look at case filters. There are several case filters already in the description list, and we can create new case filters in the same process by clicking on the Add New Case Filter button and bringing up our case filter box and typing in our case filter and clicking Submit. Again, we can make a case filter inactive in the same way as the site filter. Click on Edit and click the inactive box and Submit. And again, the inactive case filter falls to the bottom of the list. Let's go to the home page and see how our case filters and site filters work on registrations. I'm going to select a client. And Abigail's registration date is 12/10/2018. The only way to add a site filter to an existing case is to edit the registration. So let's go ahead and do that. And you'll notice that Abigail already has a site filter as My Place. We can change that, edit it, by just clicking on the drop-down, and we can either remove the site filter completely, or we can add another one, and then click Submit. So now Abigail's registration is associated with the Our City site filter. Let's look at case filters. So in order to do that, we click on View Case Filters, and here we can add case filters, remove case filters, or edit the case filters that have already been listed. Notice up here, current case filters, she has no record of case filters. So let's add one. We're going to go to Magenta, click on it, click on the Move button, and hit Click Save. And now we see that Abigail's case is now associated with the Magenta case filter. Click on this X to get out of this page and go back to the home page. So now let's see how the case filters and site filters work in reports. Let's take a look at the adult participant demographic report. The list of your case filters and site filters are right here. And to filter your data, you would simply click on the filters that you want to use and enter the time period that you want to run the report. We'll just do it through today. So at the top of your report, you'll notice that the site filters and case filters show right up, as well does the time period that we're running the report for. And we'll notice that there's only one participant that fall within these case filter and site filters. So that's all we have for you regarding case filters and site filters. We hope this webinar has been helpful. Thank you.